Look. I'm not taking it back. Oh, guys. Yo, it just, I'm not even gonna let it upset me. I'm not even gonna let it upset me. I'm not even gonna let it upset me. I'm upset. Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rochelle, and today's video is going to be a back to school haul, college edition. If you don't know, I'm going to be a junior in college. It came so quick. I felt like I was just a freshman and I'm a junior. What's happening? This year I have a little theme of navy blue, white, and gray. And I think it's gonna be like a splash of gold in there. But yeah, I have a roommate, my friend, Ty. Shout out to you, Ty, if you're watching this. If you're not watching it, then I was supposed to vlog a little bit. I did, but I'm gonna save that to the end. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing, since it's in my presence right now, I got some detergent because they're not gonna supply detergent for you. And you just needed to wash your clothes and be clean, right? Then I got some fabric softener. I just got some blooming lavender. What the heck? This is freaking detergent. Why was this in the fabric softener aisle? What the heck? It pays to read, ladies and gentlemen. It really pays to read. Oh, I'm so mad. Dang, I knew I should have got Downy. Okay. Next thing I got was some hangers. They are navy blue. I know y'all peeped the theme. Navy blue, and they're both just two 18 packs of hangers. Then I got two white QB things because, like I said, white is a part of the theme. So I think I'll put like my everyday like face wash or like lotion or whatever into these two cubbies for whatever I need. Y'all, just to hop back with the detergent stuff and the laundry stuff, I got some dryer sheets. They smell like lavender. They smell really good. Sorry if y'all can't see. Okay. I got a pack of mechanical pencils, 50 count. It's pink, purple, green, yellow, blue, orange. I just think these are really cute, vibrant, makes me more excited for the school year that's coming up. Next thing I got are some ballpoint pens. So it's just green, orange, blue, purple, pink, red, blue, and black. They just look like this. Nothing special, but I did want to get colored pencils because of the fact I have a very, very, very plain planner. I know you can't always go for the cute ones. Walmart did not have a lot of cute ones. I know Target is a place to go for cute planners, but I didn't get to go there, so we had to do what we do with Wally World. But this is just a weekly, monthly planner. It's black and white, 2021 to 2022. Looks like this inside, nothing special. It has the lines that I need, the space that I need for classes, and that's why I decided to make it colorful with the colored pens. But it looks like this. Next, I got some index cards. I got 2 packs of index cards. I have Spanish this year. I'm dreading it, and I know I'm gonna need to study, so therefore I got index cards. I got another pack of pens, all black. Why? Because you need black pens. Next, I just got some Sharpie highlighters. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need these to highlight your notes or whatever. I just think it's really important, helps you retain information. And I just got these. And then I got this pack of regular Sharpie markers. I got some paper for my binders. I got 2 packs of college rule and 2 packs of wide rule. It's just 1-inch binders. Very simple. Put the paper in there. Good to go. Next, I have 4 different notebooks. Now, I was contemplating getting just like a 5-subject notebook, but then I feel like there are going to be days that I don't need to bring all 5 subjects. So to eliminate carrying heavy books all over campus, I got individual ones. So I got a green one, I got an orange one, I got a blue one, and I got a purple one. Next, I have corresponding folders. I didn't find a green plastic one, but I have these colors: red, pink, yellow, and blue. Next thing I got was a box of tissues. Why? Because you always need tissue, whether it's for makeup, whether it's to blow your... She's being rude. Speaking of, it's my roommate. You just never know. You sneeze, you have to blow your nose, anything, so it's good to have tissue. Next thing I got was a pack of 3 Lysol. It's nasty out here. People are nasty. It's COVID. We're in a pandemic still. Do I really need to explain? Just be safe, you know? Wipe down everything, every doorknob, every desk, every chair, every handle, everything you touch, wipe it down. I got some sensitive wipes, sensitive baby wipes. Girls, use it for down there, use it for your makeup. Yeah, I just think these are good to have. Next, I have a little container. Newsflash, I forgot a shower caddy. I'm still gonna get that because that's definitely a necessity for a college student using nasty communal bathrooms. Actually, the communal bathrooms at my school aren't nasty at all. I have a container for bar soap. Next, I have a pack of toothbrushes, 6-pack. It's just good to switch out your toothbrushes. Keep your oral hygiene correct. And also I had to get toothbrushes because my mom threw mine out without asking my permission. Thank you, Mom. And I also got a pack of Crest baking soda peroxide whitening toothpaste, fresh mint. Good teeth. I should be on a commercial. Come on. No? I have 2 loofahs. It's good to have. You clean your body. It exfoliates. Alright, y'all, I think we're going on to the big stuff. Y'all ready? I got this big old pillow, y'all. I got this. It's so soft. And like to sit up in bed if you want to do your homework in your bed, or you just want to sit up and chill on your computer, type of paper. I feel like this is really good to have. I never had one of these, but I finally brought one and it's so soft. And I'm so happy that I got it. So I recommend getting this from Walmart. It's soft, it's worth it, and why not? It makes your dorm look cute. I got this big navy blue body pillow. It's so soft. It's the same material as the gray one. And I also have a navy blue plush pillow, and it matches perfectly. Like, come on. Come on now. I know y'all see a lot of blue, but come on now. Definitely giving sailor vibes, period. Next, I just have a 4-pack of containers. I can put my hair stuff in here. I can put... I didn't think it through, but my mom said she think I should get it, so I got it. So yeah, navy blue tops, clear bottoms. Next thing I got were these navy blue. I got a lot of navy blue. It's gonna look cute, I don't care. I got these navy blue containers, and I got 4 of them. I got this navy blue and gray 3-drawer container. I plan on using this for undergarments, underwear, bras, pajamas, whatever is needed is gonna go in this, and tucked away. It's gonna be nice and neat. Nice and neat. Next, I got a 4-tier shoe rack. I wanted all my shoes to be in one place. I want it to be nice and neat. Next, I got a gray, finally something that's not navy blue, right? I got a gray slim collapsible hamper. This is for my dirty clothes. Last but not least, I got my book bag from Marshalls. Like, this is an Adidas book bag. It's very light, so I don't even think I can see, but let me see. Y'all see the color? It's so pretty. It's like a mint blue. Okay, y'all, unfortunately we have made it to the end of the haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe for another piece of K. Mikaylah Rochelle is out.